everyone, so I just want to do a review on these amazing oven mitts. I was wondering when I purchased them, because they're ribbed, it made me think that maybe there was fabric in between, just like an oven glove has. And just in case you were wondering the same thing, it is not. It's just all silicone. So there's no chance of you ever burning your hands. It withstands up to 500 degrees. Some of the reviews say that it's difficult to pick up stuff, but I don't find that at all. So it's very flexible, so you can just wrap your hands right around there, grab onto it. It's really heavy, so I have to use both hands on both sides. But see, you can grab on. You are fully protected with these. You have nothing to worry about. If you have these, there is no way you're going to burn your hands. Because the entire ribbed part of it is silicone, it's totally waterproof. The inside is a nice, comfortable fabric. It's attached, so you can't take out the fabric part and wash it. It does have to be hand washed. Super easy, obviously, to wash it on the outside. And I have seen some reviewers say that they have thrown them in the washing machine and they came out just great. And I might try the same thing because I'm just lazy when it comes to hand washing stuff. KitchenAid, how can you go wrong? I love them so much. I give them 5 stars.